Novitas Solutions, a CMS contractor, welcomes you to the On-Demand Education Series. This on-demand tutorial is a general summary that explains certain aspects of the Medicare program, but it is not a legal document. The official Medicare program provisions are contained in the relevant laws, regulations, and rulings. The information enclosed was current at the time it was presented. Medicare policy changes frequently. Links to the source documents have been provided within the document for your reference. This presentation was prepared as a tool to assist providers and is not intended to grant rights or impose obligations. Throughout this module, you will see a citation number behind certain elements of information as shown in the example below. This citation number coincides with the transcript document positioned next to the Play Now icon you selected on the Training Videos Click and Play page on the Novitas Solutions website. The citation and associated hyperlink to the resource described in the module will be found on the transcript under footnotes for each slide.
Novitas Solutions On-Demand Education Series presents Novatosphere, Introduction to the New User Interface. What is Novatosphere? Novatosphere is a free, secure internet portal for providers, billing services, and clearinghouses. It provides access to a wide variety of information, including claims, appeals, finances, medical review, and much more. Novatosphere is being redesigned to a more modern look and feel. The redesigned Novatosphere will include the same current features and functionalities, as well as some new enhancements. In this module, we review the new user interface of Novatosphere. An important note, users previously enrolled into Novatosphere prior to the redesign will continue to have access to the new user interface. There is no action needed from current users to continue to use Novatosphere. New homepage. After logging into Novatosphere, the user will be directed to the homepage. This homepage provides graphical information about important items, such as the scrolling banner, critical alerts, claim summary, payment status summary, and appeal summary. The homepage navigation is organized in categories at the top with drop-down options where applicable, and the bottom navigation has useful links and resources, including self-service tools and references. Switching roles. If the provider has access to more than one organization, access between them can easily be switched. The provider just selects the Switch Roles button at the top right, and the Organization and Provider Selection menu will display. Let's now review the top taskbar for available functions. Eligibility search. Just as in the previous version of the portal, the provider can search for beneficiary eligibility in the new user interface. The big change is the way the search is displayed. After selecting the Eligibility tab at the top, the search is now displayed on the left side of the screen as shown here. The asterisk next to each item indicates it is a required field to conduct the search. MBI lookup. Here we can see what the new MBI lookup tool will look like. Just like the eligibility search, after selecting the MBI lookup tab, the search function is now located to the left of the screen. The asterisk next to each item indicates it is a required field to conduct the search. Let's look now at the redesign of the Claims tab menu. Claims menu. The Claims tab in the top taskbar offers many options. From the Claims tab menu, the provider will be able to obtain claim status, a summary of claims, search for claims currently under medical review, and request a provider data summary report or PDS. Let's review the new look for 3 of these options. Claim status. Shown here is the claim status screen. It is from here the provider will have access to perform certain actions on a particular claim. This is a new way to view claim details and perform other functions under the Actions column. Correct a claim. One of the functions under the Actions column is specific for Part B providers. They can request claim corrections using the Claim Correction feature or Claim Status feature. From the Claim Status screen, they would just select the Claim Reopening Correction icon from the Actions column and follow the prompts to perform the necessary corrections. Claim Summary. The second feature under the Claims menu is Claim Summary. This option provides a summary of claims that are pending along with approved to pay, month to date, year to date, and total dollar amounts. Medical Review Claim Status. Last, under the Claims menu, the Medical Review Claim Status feature allows the provider to search for claims currently under medical review. The provider will view a list of claims that are either waiting for response or review the review outcomes if responses have already been provided and the review is completed. The next screen is the Redetermination Request screen. Appeal Status. The new Appeal Status lookup screen can be seen here. This display is like others we previously reviewed, with a search shown on the left side of the screen after the Appeals tab has been selected. Submit Documents Dashboard. Another new feature is the Submit Documents Dashboard. This new dashboard will present document submission options available to the provider. This dashboard also provides the submission summary and submission history. The submission history provides a list of submissions previously made in the portal. Let's now look at the Retrieve Documents tab. Retrieve Overpayment Demand Letter. From the Retrieve Documents tab, providers can retrieve different types of documents, including copies of overpayment demand letters. That functionality is the one shown on this screen. Once the search function is completed, the appropriate letter can be selected from the list and downloaded. This concludes our review of the Novatosphere redesign and enhancements. Let's review the available resources. Resources. For more information, please visit our Novatosphere page, where there are many resources including information for new users, user manuals, and frequently asked questions.
Thank you for attending. We encourage you to visit our website at www.novitas-solutions.com to access additional on-demand resources or participate in our educational events. Visit our Learning Center to access the most current Medicare education.